At this time, Bill is getting his car detailed because he doesn't know how to wash his own car.
Getting the car detailed. Woo! Yeah. That's what we're doing today.
So fucking early. Okay, let's go do awesome stuff today. Let's go do GTR stuff.
Hey everybody, good morning. I'm back. No, really, I am. I'm back. I decided today to come back with a video that I actually did last year. So, last year we actually did a video of us at the HRE meet. That was literally 1 year ago today. That's how cool this is. So how you doing, my YouTubers? How you been, baby? This is gonna be a lot of fun. We got a lot of cars. We got a lot of people in San Diego that we're gonna meet. Looking forward to a fun day. Welcome to the GTR Bill HRE with Keldon show that we're gonna be presenting to you today, Saturday, and we're gonna freaking have a blast. Let's start the day. Woo!
Oh shit! Oh shit! There's a monster in the garage.
Well, hello, my little friend. Did I wake you up? Did I? Well, time to get up. Come on, wake up. I think it's time for us to go out and play. I'm so excited today. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. You ready for the cold start? Here it is.
Do I look stupid or? Let me say it. Oh my god. My button came off on my short. Let's go. I'm late.
All right, so we got my buddy Keldon, who just pulled up just now, and we're gonna start rocking this trip today. Like I said, we're gonna be heading all the way down from here in Garden Grove, all the way down to San Diego.
What's up, brother?
Bring it in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. We're ready to fucking rock today.
Okay.
I'm sorry, folks. You're gonna be hearing a lot of this the entire video. So just get used to it. I'm pretty much used to it, but it's pretty funny to listen to. Bill! What's up? Woo! Good driving, good timing?
Good timing, yeah.
That's how we jam.
We shaved off 4 minutes.
I have to keep us going. That's why I brought us to miles an hour. I've been sick.
Good to see you.
Let me get going. Same shit.
Woo! Man, how you doing, man? That looks perfect. Nice.
I'm gonna need another sticker. That's like 40 horsepower right there.
Easy.
Yeah.
I see. R35,
Oh my God. So here's my question. How many people does it take to put a GTR sticker on a GTR car?
It takes the GTR me to do it.
There's your answer that you always wanted to know. So there's gonna be an airlift, there's an exhaust system on here, and a sound
It runs
system.
on E85 as well.
And this is E85, Secker Ragasm transmission.
Birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you.
Oh yeah, I have my sunglasses on.
Keldon, where the hell are we at, man?
I don't know what.
What's that beside us?
That is Bugatti, right next to another Bugatti, which is probably next to another Bugatti.
So we're here at
Intense.
HRE right now, and they got some pretty nice cars to show you what HRE puts their rims on.
Hey, Grandpa.
The Hellbug Bugatti. This thing has got a special wrap. Just the wrap itself is $40,000. That's just the wrap. The rims and tires probably total of about $100,000. This is nuts. I'm gonna give you a close view of exactly what this Bugatti looks like.
So which one's yours? Well, thank you for donating your time and your vehicle to this charitable event.
This means a lot to me. I'm a good man.
You heard it right here. That was Bugatti Bill.
B. I put my initials on it right there.
That's a GTR and a Bugatti wrap.
I got room for red right here. If you want to be red racer.
Bill, be red. Oh, I want to play. I'll be red.
These guys are veterans, so watch out for them. They
Oh,
will probably knock
dang.
you off. Corner right there. There's a yellow stripe. If you've got that button.
Which car are you, Keldon?
I'm the red one.
Look at this big kid over here.
Go!
Go, Keldon.
Go, 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 go. Oh!
Good driving,
Better speed it up, Keldon.
Good.
Better speed it up.
Waiting for those turbos
White
to
flag
spool,
is coming
man.
out for left.
Nice job, Green.
What place
What
did you
did I
do,
place?
Keldon?
Did I
What
come
you
in?
put?
5th place. Ah, I gotta go return the GTR. Nice.
Can you tag us in some of those pictures if you put them on Instagram?
Yeah, what's
At nomad_raceways.
yeah, we're gonna put together a vlog and shit. We'll definitely holler you. That was
Yeah,
super
I mean,
fun,
our
man.
fault. We're not that big. We only got like 2.6 million.
That's it?
So we're not that
Never
big.
mind, you don't have to.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure, bud.
Yeah, we'll tag you in the videos up.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Hey man, so tell me, do you use rubbers? Yes, there it is. Boom! Woo!
Let's go find out. How's it going? So what's this about?
Mod Bargains is our e-commerce website, so we sell automotive accessories and parts. Mod Auto is our installation facility. You know, in the E46 generation, you had to buy wheels from one place, you had to buy angel eyes from another place, you could buy kidney grills from another place. So the idea was to bring everything together. Again, the name Bargains has a negative connotation, but we sell high quality parts.
What do you do for GTRs?
We're actually an Alpha dealer. It's very
That's dope.
So yeah, we deal with AMS and Alpha, so we do a lot of that stuff. Yeah.
Airlift?
Yeah, airlift dealer. This car's on airlift.
How much would it take me to buy an airlift kit off you for a GTR? I should be able to buy it off you for like $1,500.
That might be just the air strut.
This guy trying to wheel and deal right now.
Come on, man.
Bill is trying to freaking hustle again. He's just trying to. This poor guy. He's always doing this. It's embarrassing.
Hanging out today, really enjoying a great car meet. As you can see, HRE really puts out a really nice car meet. They got some beautiful rims. It's a great product. I suggest definitely, if that's something that you're looking at, look into HRE. A lot of styles, they'll custom make it for your car. This is just part of the meet for today, but there's a lot more to see, so follow me. Had lunch over at Partake. This is like a really nice restaurant, like right back here. See that one? I don't know if I can even catch a sign. I can't. Oh, there it is. We just partook in a Partake lunch festival at Partake. We're partaking in a group festivity at Partake.
Thanks for coming out, guys. A lot of fun. Thanks to CJ for putting this together.
Hey, we still gotta hear Bill's exhaust.
Yeah, right. Bill. I hope you guys really liked what we just did. I know I haven't been on YouTube in a while, but GTR Bill's back. We're gonna go to a lot more meets. We're gonna meet a lot more people. We're gonna do a lot more car shows. We're gonna show you a lot of GTR rides and actually other type of car meets. I really love doing this for you guys, and I hope you guys are really enjoying this. I really love this. You guys fucking rock.